What's up, guys? This just came in, feeling like Christmas. Um, the 123 ignition distributor for my 280Z. I'm gonna be working on mounting this on. Reason I bought this, like I said in the description, it gives me a sense of security with the immobilizer. You can actually set a pin and you can put the car to, once you lock it from your phone via Bluetooth, the car will never turn on. Sense of security. Easier timing. I've been having a lot of trouble with my actual timing. Like, my car turns on and it runs decent, but I'm hoping this right here with my phone I can advance the timing or, retard the timing all via my phone. So hopefully you guys, I'm gonna take a video, a time lapse of me installing it. It's pretty straightforward. It's only 3 wires. Black goes to the negative side on the coil, red obviously to positive, and the blue goes to ground, earth. So yeah, not cheap, but great product. And I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just, just a regular dude, and I want the safety for my car. My camera was charging, so I decided to get some work done while it was charging. So far, I took out the fan clutch, which is 4 bolts. That's bolted onto the water pump. I put the engine on top dead center. I'm sorry, correction. 0 degrees at the very top, as this is supposed to be, this is the #1 cylinder facing forward. You might want to remember that while putting the distributor. And then you're gonna have to remember to get it the same order. I think it's, what is it, 1, I don't know the order, but I have it here. So yeah, so right now what I'm gonna do is just work on getting the distributor out and seeing if the 123 ignition distributor lines up and everything, or if I have to swap anything out. I removed the actual body or base from the stock distributor, placed it on the 123 ignition as so, and then here's where you will actually kind of like tighten it. Here's where you would tighten, I'm sorry. As you can tell that the stock distributor had that section where right here where it would, you would kind of be able to advance or reverse. I forgot. I'm so tired from work. Where you can advance the ignition or retard it. This I don't think will do it no more. You're not gonna have that type of play, as the distributor is gonna be able to do that from the function on the smartphone on your app. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this guy in and get back to you. Hey, just a heads up, when you are installing the distributor, do not tighten anything down. I had to learn this the hard way, as when you connect the red wire to your coil positive and the earth to your chassis, you need the distributor to have some sort of play. This way, when you open your ignition, you have to find and move the distributor to a certain degree where you see the green light turn on, and that's where you know that the distributor is actually at the correct location. So keep a heads up. Do not tighten anything down just yet until you actually confirm the green light that turns on inside your distributor. is just as you can tell, button everything back up. As soon as you get the green light inside the distributor, you can connect the black to your ground of your coil. Obviously you already have the blue connected and the red. That's how you got the green light there to set it. Remember, instead of the number 1 cylinder pointing straight forward as stock, mine's, well, and yours if you're doing this, one is going to be here, and then then you start putting your spark plug wires back in order, connect the coil, and that's it. Start up.